Hey everybody, Pro Trader Gareth Soloway here, giving you guys a special free version of Smart Money stocks and ETFs here. So, UPS reports earnings tomorrow morning. I wanted to do some brief analysis on it on a technical basis to give you guys insights into where the levels will be. And again, in general, with earnings, you're not really sure which way it's going to go, but you want to be ready to react. And this is what I prep our investors and swing traders in Smart Money stocks and ETFs for. Okay, so first and foremost, tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., UPS will report earnings. Earnings expectations are for a $1.33 of earnings on $21.96 billion. The whisper number is they may miss by just 3 or 4 cents, getting $1.29 in. So expectations are pretty low. You can kind of see that in the chart, right? Because if you look at the chart, where were we trading? I mean, look at how low we are in comparison to where we were in 2022 and then 2023, and then here we are in 2024 at the low end of a range. Now, the first thing I see, folks, is a potential parallel, right? So if we do a parallel here, let's take this high here and just drag it down right there, and we extend that parallel out. What do you guys see? So a beautiful parallel from these highs here in 2022, connected through these lows in 2022, then these highs in 2023, and then the low here in late 2023. So it gives us a trading range, right? Now, if we zoom out, what we can see is there's a gap fill down here. We can extend that line out here pretty dramatically and show you, again, multiple pivot points along here. That tells me there's good support in this range. So going into tomorrow, we know now that they have a convergence on the downside of this low channel trend line here at around 122 to 123, right at this gap fill. And again, that's the low end of this channel line as well. So these two lines converging right here. What that does, as a technician of the charts, there's two lines converging. It means that should be significant support. So if by chance we see a big dump pre-market or during market hours of UPS, or even in the next few days if it sells off, it gives me a level to potentially buy in, not based on my emotion, not based on my gut or my heart or my feelings, but based on pure technical analysis. Okay, now looking at the upside on this, what is the upside resistance level? Well, very clearly, if we extend this line out, we have upside resistance right in this range. So again, looking at this, do we have multiple factors? And the answer, honestly, is not as good, I don't think, based on this. So I do see a little bit of a pivot point right in here, which if we extend out is a little bit of a level there, but nothing significant. But basically, to suffice it to say, you'd be looking for a level here on the upside of a move back to this line right in here. So this would be significant resistance around 170, while support remains at a major level down here at around 122 to 123. All right, now, are there some interim levels in between? Yes, of course. You'll have resistance right up here around 159. That might be day tradable. Again, I'll cover that in the game plan in the morning at 9 a.m. sharp live. For those of you that want to watch, just watch on the homepage of Verified Investing. But again, you know, as a swing trader, you want to look for extremes. And so day traders, again, will trade the interim levels. Swing traders, you have to really look for the solid levels that are going to give you a high chance of a multi-day or week or even month move, and that's where you look for the confluence. So for me, at least, you know, the no-brainer is kind of if it flushes down into this low 120s area here, this would be a very intriguing level for a buy on UPS. A short level, yes, this would be okay, but it doesn't, as of now, I don't see a secondary factor, so it's not quite as good. All right, guys, just wanted to give you a taste of some of the technical analysis as we go into UPS tomorrow. As always, folks, thank you so much for tuning in. Come check us out at Verified Investing.